we'll understand a little bit on the banking side. We have discussed a lot about, say, how Kotak Mahindra Bank's earnings have surprised. So that's coming back. We're looking at ICICI, HDFC. Every time there is a banking run-up, trying to pull up, but still there is a long way to go. How does one really define between, large private sector banks? Does one have to do that SIP across the board, or does one have to pick and choose from here? How do you advise right now, sir?
I think don't rack your gray cells too much, to be very honest. Pick one private sector large bank and pick one public sector large bank. So if I had to pick two names from these two, ICICI Bank and State Bank of India. Valuation wise, I think post the numbers, SBI has come down. Very attractive. Your downside is protected. Sub 700, I don't think you're going to see a huge downside. For ICICI Bank, I think that's been one of the top performers in the private sector bank as far as earnings is concerned. When you compare it with, say, likes of Axis Bank and HDFC Bank. Axis Bank was a disaster, not a disaster, but a slight bit of disappointment. Whereas HDFC Bank, more or less in line, ICICI Bank was in some parts much above what the street estimates were. So I would say these two names in the banking pack would possibly guide your portfolio to a steady return in terms of profitability.
Perfect. That's the best way how you could have simplified it for our retail investors who are still racking their brains as to find out how does one play the banking story.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.